Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop Feelin Bubbly collection. I'm excited to be doing collection videos again. I miss doing them. As always, I will be doing like swatches of everything in this collection. It is a little bit of a smaller one, so hopefully this video won't be too long. But this collection is launching on December 9th at 10 a.m. PST. As always, you guys can use my code. It is just KATRINA and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. Collection I think might be like one of their holidays, if not like the main holiday collection. I'm not sure. You guys know Colourpop comes out with collections constantly, so I don't know if they're going to come out with like another holiday one or not, but it's definitely giving holidays, so like very neutral holiday, you know. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing that we have in this collection is a 9-pan palette. This is the Feelin Bubbly palette. It is in the like cardboard packaging and you just open it up. There is no mirror in here. And then we have 9 neutral kind of shadows in here. There are no pressed glitters. It's just shimmers and mattes, which I appreciate. They're all just like regular mattes too. It's not like the shimmery mattes, just straight mattes and straight shimmers, which is really nice. I feel like this would be like a good everyday type of palette as well, not just for holiday. The pans in here are slightly larger than like some of the other Colourpop 9 pans. I don't know if like, I know some of their newer 9 pans have been in this bigger pan size, but yeah, I just want to mention these are a little bit bigger than the other ones. So that is the palette. The thing that we have in this collection are 3 Jelly Much eyeshadows, and I'm so excited to see some Jelly Much eyeshadows in here. I love the formula of these and I always get excited when they are in a collection. I wish they would come out with more, like more often. So these are all gold. Like this whole collection is gold. Like everything in here is pretty gold. So we have 3 different like kinds of golds. All come in this like light beige gold type of packaging. Keep It Crisp is like a champagne-y gold with some like pink reflect in it. It's really pretty. This is the one that I have on my lid right now. Then we have Blanc de Blanc, which is just like more of a true kind of just lighter gold. Give the Brute, which is more of a yellow gold color. So yeah, they're all gold, but different types of golds. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, if you've never tried the Jelly Much eyeshadows, I love them. They're one of my favorite formulas from Colourpop. So yeah, I was really excited to see those in here. And then we have our 2 Super Shock highlighters, another one of my favorite products. We have 2 shades and we have like something for a little bit more like lighter skin tone, like my skin tone. And then we have something that will work on like a little bit more of like a medium to deeper skin tone. So Flute Punch is the one that I have on right now. This one is like a lighter champagne-y gold highlighter. And then Champagne Baby, this is more of like a warmer gold, almost kind of like gold bronze shade, which again, I think this would look so pretty on deeper skin tones. And I love the Super Shock highlighter formula. So those are in here as well. And we have 3 Lux Glosses. We have Pop a Cork, which is a light kind of sheer gold gloss with some multi-dimensional like pink, silver, purple kind of shimmer throughout it. Then we have Fizzy with it, which is another gold, a little bit more of like a warmer yellowy gold. And this one just has more just true gold shimmer throughout it. And then Sippy Sippy, which is more of a brown bronze type of gloss, and this one just has like gold and a little bit of, is that silver shimmer throughout it as well? Kind of a mixture of both, but this one is the one that I have on my lips at the moment. And yeah, so those are the 3 Lux Glosses. And last but not least, we have some crystal face jewels in here. I think this definitely fits the collection really well since it is like more for like the holidays and stuff. We have the typical just like silver rhinestone jewels in here, which I've definitely seen in some other collections. And then we have some pearl ones, which I think are really cute. I love the different sizes of them. I think these ones definitely stick out to me more so than like the regular silver gems. And I think these also just fit better with this collection considering like everything's gold. But these just have like a really pretty like champagne gold with some pink iridescence to it. They're really, really pretty. I think this would look so cute on the eyes and stuff. But yeah, so we have those 2 in the collection as well. So that is everything in this collection. Link my code and everything down below for you guys once it launches and stuff. And yeah, this is a look that I came up with today using the stuff from the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on this collection, then just keep watching. So we're gonna go ahead and hop into the palette. So how do you guys feel about the new like pan sizes sizes. Like these ones are obviously bigger than like their other 9 pans. I kind of like it. Obviously you get more product in it, and especially with shades like this, I feel like you go through these neutral shades pretty fast, so I would want them to be big. And I like that there's like a cream color in here. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the shade Bubble Up, which is this one right here. And my eyes are already primed, so I'm just putting this in my crease. Of these like beige, kind of like have a little bit of like a hint of yellow tone to them as a transition shade. They're like my favorite kind of transitions. I think I kind of want to do more of like a winged out look, but I'm not entirely sure yet. So I'm just kind of bringing this outwards a little bit towards the end of my brow. I have that shade down. I'm going to go into Clink Clink, which is that shade. I really like that name. Same brush. I'm just going to take that shade a little bit lower in the crease, kind of add some depth in there, and just kind of build this color up. I'm going to go back with that Bubble Up shade just to kind of add a little bit more of that warmth to the crease. Okay, and then for my like outer corner area, I am going to go into Get a Grape. Yeah, I was making sure that was the right name. Get a Grape. It's just a little bit of a darker brown. And I'm going to focus this on the outer corner, like outer V area. A little bit of that into the crease as well. I think that's pretty much what I'm going to do for right now. I really want to use some of the shimmers in here, but there are Jelly Much eyeshadows that I would rather use. This one called Urbane is stunning. They're really, really pretty. But yeah, I'm definitely going to use a Jelly Much shadow. So if you've been following me for a long time, I love the Jelly Much eyeshadow. So I was super excited to see some in this collection. That's honestly what I was like most excited for. So we have 3. I'm trying to look at them to see which one I want to use on my lid. This one's too like yellow gold. I don't like the way yellow gold looks on me. And this shade is really pretty. This one is called Keep It Crisp. It's like a really pretty like pinky. Oh, that is stunning. This is so pretty. I feel like with this look, I think the other one might look a little bit better. Oh, you know what? No. Oh my God, this is so pretty. It has like a pink and gold shift to it. That is stunning. And if you've never tried the Jelly Much eyeshadows, they like last on your lid so long. But yeah, like I said, this one's called Keep It Crisp. I'm gonna take, you can use your fingers for these. I like to use a brush to get a little bit more precision. So just dipping in. This is just like a flat synthetic brush to pat it on. I take a little bit at a time because these are super pigmented and I don't like to take too much. I'm just putting this all over my lid. This color is really, really nice. Just blend that out with my finger. Like whatever's left, I'll kind of just start blending that to this like outer corner area. Back with the brush, just so everything is nice and seamless. Take a little bit more of that Jelly Much eyeshadow. And just start building where I want more intensity. Yeah. Oh my God, that is so pretty. It looks so nice on camera. Wow, I love that. Seriously, why I love the Jelly Much eyeshadows. They really pack a punch like on the eyes. They're so pretty and they don't like budge, which is so nice. If you don't want to have like a super like defined lid, like almost looking kind of cut crease-ish, blending it out, like applying it with the brush and then blending it out with your finger really makes it look a lot less harsh. A little too harsh for me, so I like to just kind of go over with my finger. That is so pretty. This color is stunning. But save time, I went ahead and just did my foundation, contour, blush, and all that off camera. So we can move on to the Super Shock highlighters, which very excited for. I love Super Shock products. So whenever they're in collections, I always get really happy. We have Champagne Baby, which is a little bit of a darker gold. This will look so pretty on deeper skin tones. This one's like just a really pretty like bronzy gold shade. I use Flute Punch, which is a little bit of a lighter highlighter. I accidentally like dug the corner of it in there, but this one is really pretty. Hopefully it's not too dark for my skin tone. I think it should be okay. I'm gonna take a little bit and see how it looks. Oh yeah, that looks really pretty. It's not too dark for me. Like when I look straight, I don't really see too much of a shadow, I don't think. Like maybe a little bit, but it's not anything too crazy. Yeah, this is really pretty. I love the way that the Super Shock highlighters like sit on my skin. I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line now. I'm probably just gonna put the same colors that I had on the top, on the bottom. I'm gonna take that darker shade, Get a Grape, this one. I'm gonna put that on this outer corner and connect that to the top. Like so. And then whatever's left, I'll just kind of bring that towards the inner part, but I want most of the color over here. And then for my inner corner, I want to use this shade from the palette because it's really been sticking out to me this whole time. So I'm just gonna put that right here. This shade's called Arbane. That is so pretty. I love a bright inner corner. Okay. Let me go put on my lashes really quick and then we'll finish off with the lip products. So last but not least, we do have some Lux Glosses. We have like a really light gold one, like a medium gold one, and then we have like a brown. And you guys know I can't ever pass up a brown gloss. So I think that's the one I'm going to use today. Let me find it. No, it's not that one. This one's called Sippy Sippy. It's like a dark, like brown, bronzy kind of gloss. There is a lot of gold shimmer throughout this. So let's see what it looks like on. I love this. I love the Lux Gloss formula. I do wish there was like maybe a little bit less gold shimmer throughout it because I feel like the gold shimmer really like pulls through a lot. Not to wear like a lip liner with it or anything, so I think it looks good. The other two are just like a lighter gold. Honestly, I feel like these would probably look very similar once they're on your lips. So this one, this one definitely stood out to me the most. Forgot that there are little like crystal or like little gems in this collection. These ones are like little gold pearls, which are really cute, and then these ones are like little rhinestones. I'm not like too crazy about like face jewels and stuff, but I honestly think these ones, the little like pearls, are really, really pretty. These ones we've definitely like seen in other collections before, like little like silver gems, but these like little pearl ones I think are super, super cute. So let me dust off this powder really quick and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So this is the finished look and I really like how this look turned out. It's a little bit less warm than I thought it was going to be when I initially like looked at the palette and stuff. I thought the palette was like a little bit warmer, but I definitely think it's a little bit more on the like neutral brown side, which is actually really nice. So I'll give you guys my final thoughts on everything. So the palette, I do like it. Is it anything that we haven't seen before? No, not really. I do like the like pan size of the shadows in here. I wish there was like maybe like a little bit of a darker brown, like this one was like just a tad bit darker. That's like my only complaint, but the shimmers in here are really pretty. I like the other colors in here. And it's not anything that like we haven't seen before and stuff. It's giving definitely like holiday kind of palette. So, but I've seen palettes like this from Colourpop before. But I do like I like it. I thought it performed well and stuff. So if you wanted to pick it up and you like the colors and you don't have anything in your collection like that already, then definitely check it out. But I mean, it's not anything like that we haven't seen before, you know, but it is a good palette. I think it performed well. So if that's all you guys care about, then that's, you know, it did perform well. Favorite things in the collection are definitely the Jelly Much eyeshadows. I love these. I wish that they came out with these more often. The one that I used on my lid, which was called Keep It Crisp, I love it. It has just like this really pretty, it looks gold, but then like when you kind of move your head around, you can definitely see like the shift to like pink in there, and I think that one's really pretty. I also liked Blanc de Blanc. I think they're all really nice. If you like these kind of gold lid colors, definitely pick these up. Like I said, Jelly Much eyeshadows are so good. They're so pretty on the lids and they just like don't budge. Like they will last on the lid like all day long. So if you've never tried these, definitely pick them up, and I think these are definitely my favorite things in the collection. Also really liked the highlighters as well that I used today, which was Flute Punch. This one is really pretty. It's super subtle. It's not like overly highlightery and stuff. Like I've mentioned before, I'm not too into highlight that much anymore, so I do like something a little bit more subtle if I do use highlighter. And this one is really pretty. All the Super Shock highlighters sit on the skin really nicely, so this one is pretty if you're like my skin tone. I think if you're a little bit lighter than me, I think this might be a little too dark because I don't see like a shadow like when I look straight, but I feel like it's kind of like borderline, like it might almost if I put like too much on. So if you are like a little bit lighter than me, just keep that in mind. And if you are like medium skin tone or darker, definitely the Champagne Baby one is so pretty. I definitely think this one would look really nice on deeper skin tones. Lux Glosses, I definitely like the one that I'm wearing right now. This one is really pretty. I like the color of it. Probably have seen, oh my god, did I just break? I think I just broke the gloss. Oops. Oh well. I've definitely seen colors like this from Colourpop before. I just broke this gloss. Great. I've definitely seen colors like this before from the Lux Glosses, so definitely check to see if maybe you have similar colors. It does look really pretty. It definitely kind of reminds me of like a holiday type of gloss too, with all of the gold shimmer throughout it. It feels nice if it's the same like typical Lux gloss formula. So if you like that formula and you like this kind of color and stuff, I think you could definitely wear this with like different lip liners too, which would be really nice. These ones I feel like look so similar. I think if they were on your lips, they probably would look exactly the same. This one just has like a little bit more of like a yellow gold shimmer throughout it, whereas this one has like some more like multi-dimensional like pink, silver, and like a lighter gold type of shimmer throughout it. I think I like this one more so than this one itself, but honestly, like I said, if I feel like on the lips they probably look pretty similar. And last but not least, the little face gems. I talked about this already a little bit. Definitely have seen some of these like rhinestones, the silver ones, before in other collections, but if you're somebody that likes like the little gems and stuff, definitely pick them up. I'm not too like, I don't do anything like that crazy anymore, so like this is just like something added extra time for me. Like I try to get ready as fast as possible, so like doing something like this is like not for me. But I will say that these little like pearl ones are really cute, and I like the color of them. They're like a light champagne-y gold color with like a little bit of like an iridescence to them. These ones are really pretty, so if you do pick up any of the face jewels, I definitely would say the pearl ones are pretty. It's my thoughts on this collection. Like I said, it's not anything too crazy. Definitely, I don't know if this was like their main holiday collection. I don't know if they're gonna come out with like another holiday collection, but it's cute. I think my must-haves of the collection are the Jelly Munch eyeshadows and then the Super Shock highlights. But yeah, anyways, leave me a comment down below what you guys think of this collection. Like, are you gonna skip on it? Are you guys gonna get anything? Let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. And if you did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.